Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss and compare the brokerage charges of Grow with the other apps like Zerodha and Angel One, and I will open the Grow brokerage calculator live to show you the amounts you will need for delivery as well as for the intraday trading. So stay tuned until the end to get a clear understanding. So friends, my name is Mahima Sharma and you are watching Tortoise Investor. On this channel, we will regularly review DMAT's account, discuss investing charges and exploring advantages and disadvantages of various apps. Our goal is to make your investment journey more transparent, enabling you to start investing with confidence. Now, let's dive into the comparison of Grow app with the other investments app on my laptop screen. On the Grow website, account opening is completely free and there are no more AMC charges. For equity brokerage, you will need to pay either 20 rupee or we can say that 0.05% both for the delivery and intraday. Let's calculate the charges now to clear any doubts you may have. When it comes to future and options trading, it is not percentage based. Instead, there is a fixed charge of 20 rupee per executed order. There are no charges for the placing, but if you choose to unplace, there are charge of 20 rupee, which is considerable a regulatory charge. It is important to note that this isn't just a brokerage charge. There are government charges, which are known as regulatory charges, applicable to all the entities involving in the trading. The security transaction tax, that we can also say that STT, is a significant component and it amounts to 2 rupee. Particularly the NSE, that is National Stock Exchange, and the BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange. It highlights the fees imposed by regulatory bodies such as SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. The full form you must be known, and the regulatory requirements to pay GST, stamp duty, dependent on the trader's state of residence, like where you live. Maybe you live in MP, in HP or in UP like Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, etc. It also emphasized. Basically, there are 5 types of charges including equity delivery, margin and also the turnover fees. This can be explained by an example like the traders engage in equity delivery by purchasing like 10 shares at the 100 rupee each and selling them at 110 rupee. The resulting turnover may be 2100 rupee, where brokerage fees is calculated at 0.05%, which amounts to 1.05 rupee. The explanation delves into the condition where brokerage is below the 20 rupee. In this case, the amount which is applied is, or if it exceeds to 20 rupee, a flat 20 rupee brokerage is charged. Now, when it comes to discussing future and options, here whether you trade with a quantity of 10 or 100, your brokerage will only be 40 rupee. The turnover can be as low as 2100 rupee or you can exceed also or as high as 2 lakh rupee. But your brokerage charge will be flat of 20 rupee on both the buying side as well as the selling side. Now, let's explore whether these charges are competitive with Zerodha or Angel One or like other investment app, that is Upstox. If we open Upstox website, we find that mutual funds and the IPOs are completely free, and so transaction on Grow. Equally, charges for equity delivery, future and options trading, currency and commodity also are of 20 rupee or 0.05%, making them approximately the same. Now, looking at the Angel One, its charges are flat 20 rupee or we can say that 0.03%, which is quite low as compared to Grow. As for Zerodha, it aligns closely with the Angel One, offering free delivery and charging 20 rupee or 0.03% for intraday and FNO, that is future and options trading. I hope you will understand. In summary, while account opening and AMC are free with Grow, but you will end up paying delivery charges. If you prefer delivery trading, you may consider Angel One or Zerodha. But for the trading purposes, both Upstox and Grow have comparable charges. Grow is a good choice, especially for the student and any of the top demat accounts that are in India, and also I have explained you would be suitable for opening your accounts. So I hope you will understand what I have told. Now you can take your own decision and select one of the best demat account that you need according to your own needs. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.